I'm going to show you how you can play music and videos at the same time on a Samsung phone. Most phones will automatically pause one when you play the other, but there is a workaround for this. On many Samsung phones, you can go to the Galaxy Store and download this Good Luck app. Inside Good Luck, you'll find and install the Sound Assistant module. Use that to enable multi-sound and choose which apps you want to allow to play simultaneously. Now, the annoying part is that a lot of entry-level phones like mine will tell you that your device isn't compatible with the Good Luck app. Samsung officially limits this to their mid and high-tier phones, so if your phone supports Good Luck, go ahead and install that. And if you have a phone like mine that doesn't support it, we're going to work some magic and do all the same things by installing a third-party app. First, we'll need to download an alternative app with the same functionality, but without the limitations about phone models. This is called FineLock, and you can find it from the Play Store. Once you download the app, you'll get a little intro message and a button to visit their website. The website is where you'll see all the available modules for this app, and that's where we'll download the modules that we need. In my case, that's going to be the Sound Assistant module. The download page feels a little messy and confusing, but if you scroll down, you'll see a button where you can download the APK. APK stands for Android Package Kit, and it's basically an installer file for Android apps. Now, APKs are usually safe when downloaded from trusted sites like APK Mirror, which is where this file is coming from. It's also developed by Samsung themselves, so I trust this and I'll continue to download. But it's good to be mindful about these and only install ones you trust. Don't just randomly install anything you come across. The security part is giving me a couple of hurdles here. First, Chrome says my phone isn't allowed to install unknown apps, but I can go and change that. So to the settings we go, and I'll allow Chrome to install unknown apps. But because my phone has AutoBlocker enabled, now that feature is blocking the installation. Yours might be more straightforward, but in case you're getting the same errors that I am, we'll go to the security and privacy settings, and from there, toggle off AutoBlocker. Here my phone wants a fingerprint or PIN to confirm it, and once I authenticate, AutoBlocker gets turned off and we can move forward. Now, while I was doing all that, I think my browser sort of reset because I need to download the installer again. No worries, we'll just download it again. And this time, it will install with no issues. I'll open the file. Then we'll install the module. And we're done! Or almost done. Now I can go to the Sound Assistant module to make some changes to the way my phone handles audio. I'll go past the mandatory permissions prompts first, and once we get to the app, we can start making some changes. My goal is to play audio from two sources at the same time, so I'm going to scroll all the way down where we have an option for multi-sound. I'll toggle that on, and it's going to ask me which apps I want to allow to play audio at the same time. You could just handpick a couple of apps you intend to do this with, but if you want an easy one-click solution, you can just toggle on All Apps on the top. With that, it doesn't matter what apps you're using, they can all play audio simultaneously. Alright, now we get to the fun part. I can go in and start playing some music. Let's hop on Spotify and play something. I'll put on a song, and we're going to leave that playing in the background. By the way, I can't play that music track here on this YouTube video because I'd get a copyright strike, so I'm playing it, but you won't hear it while watching this on YouTube. While the music is playing, I'll get on YouTube, or really any video app, and I can now play videos while my music continues to play. We're now basically using pro audio features that Samsung reserves for their $1,000 flagship phones, but it works flawlessly on this entry-level Galaxy A16. So the next question is, how do you control the volume for the two audios? YouTube doesn't have a volume slider or mute button, so we need something else for that. I believe on some phone models, you can use the physical volume buttons and then tap the three dots on the volume slider, and you'll get separate sliders for your music and video. Mine just has one slider for media volume, so we'll do this from the Sound Assistant app. In Sound Assistant, you'll find a section for individual app volume. I can pick any apps here, in my case Spotify and YouTube, and then set the volume for each. I want my videos muted while my music is playing, so I'll just set YouTube volume to 0, and that'll do it. Now when I watch videos, they'll be muted, and my music continues to play normally. So that's how you play music and videos simultaneously on your Samsung phone. I know it might feel complicated at first, but once you download the app and configure it, it's actually pretty easy. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more Android guides like this.